Step softly now, dear one, into the ancient garden where every leaf whispers and every root remembers. Long before words were inked onto paper, the plants spoke a secret tongue, a language of stars and stones, of firelight and flowing waters. Witches, healers, and dreamers learned to listen, and in doing so, they discovered that every herb is more than what meets the eye. Each carries a soul song, an invisible thread connecting it to planets, elements, and the mysteries of life itself. This is the hidden language of herbs, and once you learn it, the world of green magic opens before you like a book written by the earth. In magical herbalism, correspondences are the invisible alignments that connect plants to greater forces of the cosmos. These are the threads that bind an herb not only to the physical world, its taste, smell, or healing use, but also to subtle energies. The pull of a planet, the breath of an element, the dance of masculine or feminine forces. Think of correspondences as the grammar of the herbal language. Knowing them allows us to read, write, and weave spells with plants more fluently. Also, when seeking herb substitutions for spells, it is important to consider not only the herb's powers, but also its gender, planetary influence, and elemental alignment, as they can guide us in choosing the most suitable replacement when a specific herb is unavailable. In magical practices, herbs are often classified according to energetic qualities that align with the archetypal principles of masculine and feminine. Understanding these correspondences can help you choose the right herb for your intention, ritual, or spell. Masculine herbs are associated with active, strong, decisive, and fast-acting energy. They are often used in magic that involves action, protection, purification, banishment, hex-breaking, assertiveness, courage, strength, and transformation. Think of them as herbs that help you initiate change or project your will into the world. Feminine herbs embody receptive, nurturing, passive, adaptive, and patient energy. They are frequently used in magic involving intuition, psychic powers, spirituality, healing, love, fertility, abundance, prosperity, happiness, peace, and emotional insight. Feminine herbs help you connect with inner wisdom, emotional currents, and natural cycles. When crafting magical workings, you can align the herb's energy with your intention. For example, use masculine herbs when you want to initiate action, protect, or empower. Use feminine herbs when you wish to heal, attract, or enhance intuition. Some herbs may have both masculine and feminine qualities depending on the tradition, the phases of the moon, or the specific magical use. Observing the herb's natural properties, scent, color, and effects can help you feel its energy and decide how to work with it. And remember, gender alignment is not about limiting your practice, but about harnessing energies in harmony with the natural flow of the world. Let your intuition guide you alongside these correspondences. Herbs don't only grow under the sun, they are touched by the rhythms of the heavens. In magical tradition, each plant resonates with a planet's energy. The 7 classical planets, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, are most often used. Even though the Sun and Moon are not planets in the scientific sense, in astrology and magic, they are treated as celestial powers. Each planet carries its own spirit, qualities, and strengths, and herbs aligned with them carry a mirror of that power. The sun brings vitality, strength, clarity, and joy. Solar herbs often shine with warmth and radiance, lifting the spirit. They are used for purification, protection, success, and happiness. The moon governs intuition, dreams, cycles, and mystery. Lunar herbs soothe emotions and deepen psychic awareness. They are used for dream work, psychic abilities, prophetic dreams, divination, peace, healing. Mercury rules communication, focus, and cleverness. Herbs of Mercury sharpen the mind and help words flow. They are used for wisdom, communication, comprehension, and focus. Venus is the planet of love, beauty, and harmony. Herbs aligned with Venus open the heart, heal wounds of love, and enhance attraction. They are used for love, protection, healing, and divination. Mars embodies courage, strength, and fiery will. Martian herbs protect, energize, and fuel passion. They are used for strength, protection, banishment, success, and power. Jupiter expands everything it touches: wealth, wisdom, and blessings. Herbs of Jupiter draw abundance and good fortune. They are used for increase, money, prosperity, justice, and luck. Saturn is the teacher of discipline, boundaries, and endurance. Saturn's herbs protect, ground, and stabilize. They are used for protection, banishment, longevity, and stability. Every herb also belongs to one of the four elements: earth, air, fire, or water. The elements are more than physical forces, they are living principles of magic. Earth is stability, abundance, and the fertile ground of life. Herbs of earth steady us, protect us, and help us manifest in tangible ways. They are used for money, prosperity, strength, fertility, and healing. Air is thought, clarity, and inspiration. Herbs of air open the mind, sharpen wisdom, and carry prayers to the unseen. They are used for discovery, wisdom, mental powers, spirituality, and psychic arts. Fire is energy, transformation, and passion. Fiery herbs spark action, burn away obstacles, and fuel desire. They are used for protection, purification, banishment, strength, clarity, desire, and transformation. Water is emotion, intuition, and flow. Herbs of water soothe, heal, and connect us to our deepest feelings. They are used for purification and cleansing, sleep and dreams, healing, love and relationships, psychic arts, creativity. When you sense the elemental signature of an herb, you begin to understand how it works in your spells and rituals, not just what it does. As you journey forward, remember this: correspondences are not rules, but doorways. They give us a way to enter into deeper relationship with the plants, to hear their song more clearly. Trust the books and traditions, yes, but trust your intuition even more. The hidden language of herbs is not fixed ink on paper. It is a living conversation between you and the green world.